going on, y'all? It's your boy Lando Success. Out getting some money today. I want to make $200 today. That would be so dope. I'm already probably like at $30, $40. And what happened in Michigan was we had like a big winter storm. It was just like snow, wind, rain, slush, all the above. A lot of people power went out. Lots of tree branches fell everywhere. You see like just tree branches just all around. My power was out for 2 days. So the good thing is orders are insane. Soon as you turn it on, they're so backed up on orders. I've been able to do Walmart orders. I did one $14, going 7 miles today. Yesterday it's just been great. So we're about to do some orders, and this is the first time this week I ever seen a UberEats surge where they saying like, yo, the area I'm in right now, we're paying like extra $8 per order. The order I just picked up, I prefer that to be $20, going 17 miles, 2 orders. The reason I picked that up is because I've been to Jersey Mike's twice already, and the order's been ready both times, so I know I can go there and pick it up. And the Coney Island that I'm going to, they always have the orders ready. So that's like $20, keep me driving. It's a lot of miles, more than what I want, but it is what it is. Let's get this party popping. Jersey Mike's, I'm here. All right, got the first order. Took them about 3 minutes to make it, but didn't take long. We put it in our handy right here. And why did it just get so close to me? Like, why whenever I'm recording, it's always some crazy stuff. Like, make this make sense. I gotta do all of this to damn near make sure I don't hit buddy. Like you see, I'm in here. Why did you come that close? Jesus. All right, so now we are at Coney Island. Let's see if this order is ready. Here you go. Bam, good to go. First person is 19 minutes away. They got in the notes, meet at door, and they got a pin code. Whenever they have that, I usually text them and let them know I'm on my way so they can be ready and prepared to meet me at the door. Give me that pin code. Random tip, if you forget to get the pin code, as long as you're at the location, you can click something and say, don't have the pin code, but it's delivered, and you can actually bypass that. Stay woke. First one is delivered. Second one, please leave at door and do not knock. Say less. Let's go. By the time I got the order and I screenshot it, it was $3.57. Now it is $4.52. So we're gonna say it was $18.7. So let's say they tipped a little extra. That's $20 an hour. So now I got another order. It's like $8 or $9 going 6 miles, but it's going back towards the way I want to go. So keep it going. So I just got a $38 Walmart order going only like 12 miles. But you see, every single one of these is filled up with people. Oh no! This is chaotic, y'all. This is chaotic. Wow. And I don't want to give this order up because it's like $38. That's a $40 order. What shall I do? What y'all do? $38 order. I believe going like 12 miles. So that's basically $40. 2 items. All I got to do is pull up in a parking spot. Get them to bring some items out. No telling how long it would take. But if you average $20 an hour, as long as we get everything done within 2 hours, we'd be right on schedule. Oh, man. I'm going to wait here for a second. Actually, as cars leave, I think the people that's in this waiting line is going to pull up. I believe so. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Let's do that. It's only like, what, 3 cars ahead of me. Yeah, I left. I wasted like 30 minutes. It just wasn't a good idea. It was just bad. People weren't coming out. So I turned on Grubhub, got a $7 order going 2 miles. let's make up for this time that I just lost. Well, family, I'm going back. And this is why I'm going back. $50 to go 12 miles. I don't care how long it takes. $50 to go 12 miles? No, dog, I can wait that one out. That's why so many people there is trying to wait it out. I thought it was the same order. It's a whole different order. Yeah, because you got to think. A good old $50. That's $25 an hour, 2 hours. Shit, 3 hours is still be good money. Man, wish me luck. So the people next to me ended up getting somebody to come out to give them their stuff, right? So I asked the guy, I said, yo, I'm in number 14 is right there. I put in the app, checked in at number 14. He was like, bro, you got to be in there. And it's such a long way, you probably not get your hour. The guy that they brought the order to, he said, I've been waiting for 3 hours. It took them 3 hours to get that. $50, I love you. But I'm not waiting $3. It's a SHIT show here. I can't even hold y'all up. Back to doing orders. See, this is supposed to be a video making money, and it's just a video of drama and craziness. Oh, Lord. So, in conclusion, as I'm doing this video, yeah, it ended up getting dark, and I didn't want to keep on doing it. So, let me show you the screenshot of how much money that we end up making. So, with UberEats, we end up making 51, not with UberEats, with Grubhub, we made $51. So that wasn't too bad. Couldn't complain. Had drama doing that. And then with UberEats, we made $66. So we did over 100. You know, we did what? About 100, you know, 100, close, we just round up, say $110. Wanted 200. Would have definitely got it if those orders was popping when it came down to Walmart. But, you know, it is what it is. If you guys want to sign up for UberEats, get the link in the bio. If you guys like me doing these type of videos, might start doing a little bit more of them. Let me know in the comments. Talk to you guys soon.